Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox not joining a server. First, let's cover some quick and easy troubleshooting steps. Always begin by ensuring your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent you from joining. Next, visit the official Roblox status page to confirm there are no widespread server issues affecting everyone. Finally, a simple restart of both your Roblox application and your computer or mobile device can often resolve temporary glitches, getting you back into the game in just a few moments. If basic restarts don't work, let's dive into client and software-related solutions. Clearing your Roblox application's cache and temporary files can often resolve corrupted data issues, improving performance. If problems continue, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox player ensures you have the latest, uncorrupted version. Also, remember to check your firewall and antivirus software. Sometimes, these programs might mistakenly block Roblox, preventing it from connecting to servers, so adjust their settings accordingly. Now, let's explore potential network-specific problems that might be stopping you from joining a server. Flushing your DNS cache can resolve outdated IP address information, which sometimes causes connection failures. If you're using a virtual private network, or VPN, try temporarily disabling it, as VPNs can sometimes interfere with game server connections. Additionally, performing a full restart of your home router and modem can often clear up any network congestion or minor glitches, providing a fresh and stable connection. Finally, let's look at some advanced checks and account-specific considerations. Always confirm that your device meets the minimum system requirements for the game you're trying to join. Insufficient hardware can prevent access. If you're a younger player, or if parental controls are active, ensure there are no restrictions blocking certain games or server access. Lastly, verify your Roblox account's age settings, as some experiences are age-restricted, which might explain why you cannot join particular servers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.